Hey Geography, welcome to the Andrews Man Cave. You see I still got the map on the wall in the back. True geography teacher over here. Today it's gonna be I think pretty easy. All right, you're gonna be learning about three of Africa's most famous physical features. Up top here, you got the Sahara Desert. All right, largest desert in the world. Um, Desert about the size of the United States. Pretty crazy. You'll learn a little bit about that. You're going to learn about Mount Kilimanjaro, right? Famous volcano mountain. As you see there, it's got that flat top, most likely blown off years ago. And then, finally, once I stop messing around here, and then you got Victoria Falls, all right, on the Zambezi River. All right, one of the world's highest waterfalls and most famous waterfalls. Pretty cool video there to teach you about Victoria Falls. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Edpuzzle. You have three different videos. All right, chill out, Erica. I can hear you complaining from miles away. All right. All three videos are about 2 minutes long, so you got a total about 6 minutes worth of videos. Questions to go along with them, obviously, as usual. So pay attention. These physical features will wind up on on your Africa summit. All right, so make sure you know the basics. What's the Sahara Desert? All right, what is Mount Kilimanjaro, and what's Victoria Falls? Your next goal day, we're going to cover some other physical features of Africa, and then probably have the summit of the following one, and then we're getting pretty close to wrapping up everything. So we'll see what we can do. We're not going to get as far as we usually would on a normal geography year, which is unfortunate. I like to do some stuff towards the end of the year, but we're just not going to be able to with these weird times that we're in. So let's make the best of it. Go over to Edpuzzle, watch those three videos. All right, make sure you get all three done. It won't take you too long. Pay attention on the video with Victoria Falls in it. It's kind of a cool video. It's called a 360 video. So while the video is actually playing, you can actually click up into the corner. They have some arrows and you can move it around and kind of look all over the place. It's shot with a drone. So head on over there and learn a little bit more about these physical features and get those three different Edpuzzle videos in. All right, even you can do it, Erica. All right, have a good one. See you later.